Namaste. In the Songbook for the Self, episode 20, today we will be listening to Tiruppavai Pasuram number 16, Nayaganai Nindra Nandagopanudeya Vayil Kaapane. The Divya Desam that is being linked to this Pasuram is Tirukkurungudi. This Divya Kshetram is located in Tirunelveli district. The Moolavar is Azhagiya Nambi, also called Sundara Paripurnan, in a standing posture. The Tayar is Kurungudi Nachiyar. The Tirtham is Tirupparkadal and the Vimanam is Panchakhedaka Vimanam. There are shrines for Kidandanambi, Irundanambi and for Malaimel Nambi on the top of an adjoining hill. The majestic Moola Vigrahas are carved of stone with application of natural colors and decorated with gold leaves as per Agama Shastras. There is a shrine for Shiva inside the temple. Legend has it that Lord Vishnu, in the guise of a disciple, obtained Sri Vaishnava initiation from Ramanuja and hence he is called Vaishnava Nambi. Vishnu is said to have taught Sudarshana Mantram to Shiva at this shrine. It is also believed that Vishnu in his Varaha Avatara shrunk his form and took abode in this kshetram, and hence this is called Kurungudi. When we want to worship the Lord here, we can chant Om Tirukkurungudi Vasaya Kurungudi Nachiyar Sametaya Azhagiya Nambi Rupaya Namaha. Kanchi Swami has linked the phrase Tuyomai Vandom Tuyilada Paduvan in this Pasuram to Nambaduvan's music for Tirukkurungudi Nambi. We learnt about Nambaduvan's music and Kaishika Ekadasi in the third episode of Songbook for the Self. The link to that episode is given in the description of this video. Andal and her friends in the first 5 Pasurams defined their goals, understood the do's and don'ts of the path to the goal, got themselves motivated by knowing what awaits them in their goal, and then started waking up other friends, took bath, purified themselves, and now they have reached the palace of Nandagopa. And now in this Pasuram ask permission from the gatekeepers to enter the palace and tell them that Krishna has already promised liberation for them and hence they have come to meet him. As we enter the year 2025, let us also purify ourselves to embrace the newness. As you can listen, there are some background music that is being played in the communities to welcome the new year 2025. There are 2 aspects to learn from this Pasuram. There are certain protocols involved while traveling on a path towards our goal, and we must accept them and follow them very diligently. That is, here in this Pasuram, Andal and her friends have to seek permission from the gatekeepers to enter, and they are doing it very, very respectfully and kindly. The other aspect is that the guards or people doing their job must be treated with respect. We should not look down upon professions and people who are in those professions. Today's affirmation is based on these aspects. May I be willing to follow instructions on the path that lead to my goal, and may I treat everyone with respect. Now let us listen to Pasuram number 16. Sixteenth Pasuram, Mohanam Ragam, Aditalam. Sari ga pa da sa sa da pa ga re sa. So first the lesson format. Nayaganai Nindra Nandagopan Nanda Gopan நந்த நந்த கோபனுடைய கோயில் காப்பானே கொடி தோன்றும் தோரண வாயில் காப்பானே மணிக்கதவம் தாழ்த்திரவாய் வாயில் காப்பானே மணிக்கதவம் தாழ்த்திரவாய் ஆயர் சிறுமியருமுக்கு அறைப்பறை. So here actually my mother said ஆயர் சிறுமியருமுக்கு அறைப்பறை. So instead of mukku, instead of that ஆயர் சிறுமியரோமுக்கு, it has to come like that. ஆயர் சிறுமியரோமுக்கு அறைப்பறை. மாயன்மணி வண்ணன் நென்னலே வாய் நேர்ந்தான். மாயன்மணி வண்ணன் நென்னலே வாய் நேர்ந்தான். There is a second sangadi here. மாயன்மணி வண்ணன் நின்னலே வாய் நேர்ந்தான். தூயோமாய் வந்தோம் துயிலெழப்பாடுவான். வாயால் முன்னம் முன்னம் மாற்றாதே அம்மணி. வாயால் முன்னம் முன்னம் மாற்றாதே அம்மணி. நேய நிலைக்கதவம் நீ கேளோரெம் பவாய். நேய நிலைக்கதவம் நீ கேளோரெம் பவாய். நேய நிலைக்கதவம் நீக்கு. So that is how we can stop the pasuram. Now with the talam. நாயகனாய் நின்ற நந்தகோபன் நாயகனாய் நின்ற நந்தகோபனுடைய கோயில் காப்பானே கொடி தோன்றும் தோரண வாயில் காப்பானே மணிக்கதவம் தாழ்த்திரவாய் வாயில் காப்பானே மணிக்கதவம் தாழ்த்தியவாய் ஆயர் சிறுமியரோமுக்கு அரைப்பறை மாயன் மணி வண்ணன் நென்னலேவாய் நேர்ந்தான் மாயன் மணி வண்ணன் நெல்லலேவாய் நேர்ந்தான் தூயோமாய் வந்தோம் துயிலெழப்பாடுவான் வாயால் முன்னம் முன்னம் மாற்றாதே அம்மணி வாயால் முன்னம் முன்னம் மாற்றாதே அம்மணி நேய நிலை கதவும் நீத்தேலுரின் பவாய் நேய நிலை கதவும் நீக்கு जय श्रीमन्नारायण।